Here we will see multi-level inheritance in PHP. In multi-level inheritance, we will inherit one base class into derived class, and then the derived class will become the base class for another derived class. That is, in this case, one class is derived from another derived class. General syntax for defining multi-level inheritance is class A, then statements from class A, then class B extends class A, and then statements for class B, in which we can inherit statements from class A, then class C extends class B, and the statements that we are going to execute through class C. Here we will write a PHP script for explaining multi-level inheritance. First we will add file, then we will save it as. Then we will add HTML tag. Then we will add title tag. PHP script for explaining multi-level inheritance. Then we will add body tag. And under body tag we will add PHP tag. First we will define a class base. Under this we will write a function base function, and here I will print function called from base class. After that we will define derived class which extends base. Here I will write another function derived, and here I will print function called from first derived class. Then we will define another class derived 2 which extends derived 1. And here I will define another function, and I will print function called from second derived class. After this we will create object for our second derived class, and then we will call the functions base function, then we will call derived function 1, and then derived function 2. To execute, we will start our Apache server, and then we will open the browser, and we will call our script. It will print function called from base class, function called from first derived class, and then function called from second derived class. Here derived 1 class extends base class and derived 2 class extends derived 1. So when we create object of our derived 2 class, it will call the functions from base class as well as derived 1 class.